Current affairs, the 28th of March 2020. RBI reduces repo rate by 75 basis points to 4.4%. The Monetary Policy Committee voted 4-2 majority to cut repo rate by 75 basis points, which brings the repo rate down to 4.4% from 5.15%. The reverse repo rate has also been reduced by 90 basis points to 4% in a bid to maintain financial stability and revive growth. The central bank also reduced the cash reserve ratio, CRR, of all banks by 100 basis points to 3% for 1 year, providing total liquidity injection of 3.74 lakh rupees crore to the system in current scenario. RBI permits banks to allow 3-month moratorium on EMIs of all term loans. The Reserve Bank of India took a series of measures to minimize the economic impact due to the lockdown caused by COVID-19, which includes moratorium on term loans. All commercial banks, cooperative banks, all India financial institutions, and NBFCs are being permitted to allow a moratorium of 3 months on payment of installments in respect of all term loans outstanding as on March 1, 2020. The repayment schedule and all subsequent due dates, as also the tenure for such loans, may be shifted across the board by 3 months. Government to transfer 2,000 rupees under PM Kisan scheme to 8.69 crore farmers. To provide relief to farmers affected due to the lockdown, the centre said it will transfer in the first week of April the first installment of 2,000 rupees to each of 8.69 crore beneficiaries under the PM Kisan scheme. Farmers receive 6,000 rupees annual from PM Kisan. Now the first installment of that is a front-loaded matter, so that at the beginning of the year they will get 2,000 rupees. Government offers 1,500 rupees to women Jan Dhan account holders, free cylinders under Ujjwala scheme. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced an ex gratia amount of 500 rupees per month for the next 3 months to all the women Jan Dhan account holders to run their households. Around 20 crore such women account holders will be covered under this scheme. Over 8 crore Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana beneficiaries will be entitled to a total of 314.2 kilograms LPG cylinders for free between April to June. Cabinet approves recapitalization of RRBs. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi approved a 1,340 crore rupees recapitalization package for regional rural banks, RRBs, by providing minimum regulatory capital to RRBs for another up to 2020-21. Those RRBs which are unable to maintain minimum capital to risk-weighted assets ratio, CRAR, of 9%, as per the regulatory norms prescribed by the Reserve Bank of India, will be recapitalized. Cognizant acquires US-based digital marketing firm. In line with its digital strategy, Cognizant Technology Solutions Corp has entered into an agreement to acquire Lev, a privately held, digital marketing consultancy in the US. Lev helps businesses simplify and modernize their marketing campaigns using Salesforce Marketing Cloud to provide data-driven insight and personalization across the customer journey. MPLADS funds may be utilized for COVID-19. As a part of government's efforts to contain spread of COVID-19, the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, MOSPI, has issued a circular granting one-time dispensation for utilizing funds under the Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme, MPLADS, to address the challenges in the fight against COVID-19. Uddhav Thackeray launches WhatsApp chat box for COVID-19 related info. Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray announced creation of a WhatsApp chat box to enable citizens to get coronavirus-related information. The WhatsApp chat box is 912026127394. The Chief Minister asked people to cooperate with the state administration in effectively tackling the coronavirus crisis. Government raises default threshold to 1 crore rupees from 1 lakh rupees. The government raised the threshold for invoking insolvency under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code (IBC) to 1 crore rupees from the current 1 lakh rupees with a view to prevent triggering of such proceedings against small and medium enterprises that are facing currently the heat of coronavirus pandemic. Invest India Business Immunity Platform launched to help businesses and investors withstand COVID-19. Invest India, India's national investment promotion and facilitation agency, under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, has launched the Invest India Business Immunity Platform. The platform, hosted on the Invest India website, is designed as a comprehensive resource to help businesses and investors get real-time updates on India's active response to COVID-19. This updating platform keeps a regular track on developments with respect to the virus, provides latest information on various central and state government initiatives. RBI extends priority sector classification for bank lending to NBFCs. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) said bank credit to registered NBFCs towards agriculture, MSMEs and housing sector up to prescribed limits will be treated as priority sector loans during the FY21. The move will help boost credit disbursement in the targeted segment like agriculture, MSME and housing sector. Former India footballer Abdul Latif passes away. One of the finest footballers of the country and a widely respected coach, Abdul Latif, passed away at the age of 73 in Guwahati. Latif was a member of India's medal-winning football team of Bangkok Asian Games in 1970.